Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this peel and stick wallpaper that I got. It's perfect for do-it-yourself projects, for cabinets like I did right here, or even for like walls, for tables, anything basically that you want to refresh, you can use this. It's really cool. It comes in a nice big roll, so you can use it for a lot of different projects. So really nice. It's a nice black glossy marble look, black and white. I love it because it goes with my decor. My cabinets are black, countertops white, so this is perfect. It's really easy. You cut it to measure and cut to what you need, and then you just peel it off and stick it on. If it gets like a couple of little bubbles, you could just smooth it out, and you can trim the excess if you need, but again, super easy. Even the back of the paper, it has different little things, so that way it's easier for you to cut, so that makes it a lot easier for you to measure and cut. But overall, great product, works amazing, and as you can see, it looks really nice, and it definitely gives a new look to your furniture. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.